So y'all, it's pretty much gonna be a little update on the Torqstorm build for the 392. It's pretty much gonna be a little unboxing today of some of the parts that I have so far. I've also ran into a little issue. I've already received the Torqstorm Supercharger, the entire kit. Had a little hiccup. Some of the parts were the wrong parts, like some of the brackets. So long story short, I hit up Torqstorm and I sent the whole kit back to Torqstorm. Right now they're actually swapping over the correct parts and they're gonna send it back to me. Shout out to their customer service. If you email them on their sales email address, they go above and beyond. Well, I'll put the email address in the description below. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into this little unboxing, man. All right, first up, we're gonna start with this is the 2-bar map sensor. It's the Mopar 2-bar map sensor I got from hhp.com. This is basically this is the SRT4 neon map sensor. Like I said, all these parts over here, man, I'm gonna put the links in the description, but this is the correct map sensor. Like I said in my last video, I said get the 3-bar. I actually changed all that in the description. It's gonna be the 2-bar. But yeah, this is it right here. When you purchase that thing, you get a little sticker as well. Next up, it's the API fuel pump from Ayrton Performance. It's rated for 700 wheel horsepower. Talked to a couple of guys on Facebook. Some people have actually been able to push a little bit higher than 700, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'll try not to max out the components like these, but anyway, yeah, this is it right here. It's drop in. I talked to the representative from Ayrton Performance. This is 100% plug and play. Just swap out your old pump and you put this one in. Then of course, you know, you're gonna have to get the car tuned or whatnot. But anyway, you get a little sticker as well, wrapped around it. A little Ayrton Performance sticker. But yeah, this is the fuel pump. Rated for 700 horsepower. Music licensing reimagined. It's not E85 compatible. You can only use regular pump gas and race fuel. Next up is the supercharger belt. This is the Fleet Runner HD belt, green, as you can see. This is the correct belt for the 3-1 pulley. Like I said, this is going to be a little bit more durable than the factory belt that they give you. Anyway, this is from Gates. Next up is the FIC 1000cc injectors. I got these used off of Facebook. Somebody was selling them. Music licensing. I'm actually gonna take these to a shop so they can be cleaned. I think it's like what? It's about $130 to get all these cleaned up. I'm gonna just do that just to make sure everything is in working condition. But yeah, these are the 1000cc injectors. Like I said, I will post a link to these in the description. And here are your spark plugs. You need 16 of them because there's 2 spark plugs per cylinder. I forgot what number these are. Here we go. 6509. Like I said, you need 16 of these right here. I'm gonna get a gapping tool and actually gap these to the correct spec. If you watch my my last video, I went in detail on what you need to gap these to for the 392 Hemi. Only parts that I don't have so far is the ATI damper. Probably gonna go ahead and purchase that today, and the boost gauge. And that's pretty much everything as far as the parts. And then, like I said, the supercharger, they're gonna ship it back to me with the correct parts. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get this intercooler opened up. I'm gonna make this a little bit quicker. Boom, there it is right here. Nice looking intercooler. Stand up so y'all can see just how thick it is. I got big old hands. I can pump a basketball. And look, man, this ain't no light duty intercooler. It's the real deal right here. Comes with a lifetime warranty. I'll cover up my serial number. But yeah, comes with a lifetime warranty. There we go. Get some more angles of it. I got the openers capped off. What I say, the other side does not have the M. It's just the front side that has the logo on the intercooler itself. Music licensing. Also, intercooler comes with these two little booklets and little car freshener, little pinion. Yeah, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So far, like I said, those are all the parts I have. I'm going to put them back up here so y'all can see. You got the Gates green HD belt. You got your 16 spark plugs, 6509s. Got your SRT4 2-bar map sensor. You got your music licensing, your Airtime Performance 700 horsepower rated fuel pump. Like I said, it's not E85 compatible. It's only compatible with regular pump gas and race fuel. And also your 1000cc injectors from Fuel Injector Clinic. There they go right there. Those are 1000cc injectors. Put one up so y'all can see it up close. Alright. As more parts arrive, I'm gonna keep doing these videos, give y'all more updates, keep y'all in tune on my build. I'm trying to be 100% transparent. I'm trying to basically show y'all everything, good and bad, with this build. Like I said, I'm just trying to make it easier for the next guy that wants to do this to his or her 6.4 Hemi. Trying to get everything, squared away. But yeah, anyway, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Like I said, all these parts, I'll put the links to all of them in the description below. But anyway, just like, comment, subscribe on the video, follow me on Instagram. That's another way you can also keep up with the build. I put a lot of content on there. But yeah, guys, but anyway, I'll catch y'all in the next one.